Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the secret to make money online with affiliate marketing. So welcome to my old setup and cue the intro. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is you refer a product to someone and you get a commission for it. For instance, Amazon is the biggest one in the world. So what you do is you sign up to their affiliate marketing program, which is Amazon Associates, which is free to sign up, by the way, so don't worry about that. And then you have a link, which is your link. And as soon as someone clicks on your links and buys something from Amazon within 24 hours, you get a commission. And that works with a lot of companies all over the world. It's not just Amazon, but I just use that as an example all the time because it's the most famous one and also the biggest one and the first ones to do it as well. So I just wanted to explain quickly what affiliate marketing is. If you want to know more about this, I have a ton of videos explaining a bit more and into depth what affiliate marketing is. So before we get even further, I just wanted to throw out a big disclaimer out there. The title of this video is The Secret to Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing. However, the secret is you have to put a lot of work in. Obviously, I'm going to have a bit more into that in this video, but you do have to put in a lot of work, and if you don't, you'll never make any money from affiliate marketing. Don't worry about Don't just try and spam people with your link all over the place because people are just not going to click on your link and you'll never make money online. So, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get even further. So, another thing is the mindset. The mindset is very important, and I know what you're thinking. Here he goes again about his mindset. Even though I haven't talked about mindset very much on this channel, but I know a lot of people talk about it. And the reason why they talk about it is because it's very, very important. If you don't believe that you can actually make money online with affiliate marketing, whether it's making some extra income or becoming a billionaire with that, or whatever you want to do, you have to believe that you can make it. If you don't believe you can make it, it just won't happen. So you'll just get tired, you'll put out 5 videos and realize that it's just not working for you and you'll quit, or you'll just post like 5 blog posts and it won't work, so you're just gonna quit. And that's the reason why most people quit, is they don't have the vision that they can actually make it. So be sure to have that vision that you can actually make what you want to make, and anything is possible. Not everyone wants to be a billionaire, that's not me, but you can do that if that's what you want to do. So you want to know why you want to do this. You have to have a goal. Maybe it's leaving your job, maybe it's having freedom in your life, maybe it's being able to travel all over the world, maybe it's helping out poor people in India, maybe you want to buy a ton of fancy cars, maybe you want to buy a mansion, whatever that may be, you want to have that goal, and it's a long-term goal, so don't worry about having that in the next 6 months or in a year, but you want to have that goal in the distance so that you know what you're heading for, and you keep that in mind so that you can just focus on getting closer and closer every single day. So I touched on this a bit earlier in this video about the mindset, but you have to believe that this is going to work for you. Not just believe it, but to actually decide it's going to work for you. Again, it's not going to work in the next 2 or 3 months. It's going to be something that you want to build towards, but you want to decide that it's going to work, because if you decide it's going to work, then you can work towards it and do it until it works. And this is very powerful. You want to do this until it works, not just playing around and say, I'll make it, I'll just try this for 3 or 4 months, maybe I'll try this for 6 months, and if it doesn't work, too bad, it's just a scam or whatever it may be. What you want to do is you want to put out content until it works. So whether you're doing blogs or videos, you really have to decide it's going to work. And to get this in your mind, are you ready to do this for the next 5 years? Are you ready to do this for the next 10 years before it actually works? Maybe it'll take less, maybe it'll take you 2 months, but you have to be ready to put in the work for 5 or 10 years to come. And believe me, it's worth the wait, but you have to put in the work and maybe not get results for 5 years, and in the 6th year, then you start getting results. So keep that in mind. It's very important that you know that you're focused on doing that, and you can do that for a long period of time. And this is why I always talk about being interested, at least interested in what you want to do, if not passionate about it. If you're not interested in what you do, you'll quit very quick, even if you believe that you can actually do it. And even if you suck at first, which is most likely in your first videos, in your first blog posts, it will suck. Your writing will suck. If you're doing blog posts, your photos will suck. And if you're doing videos, the first video will be awful. So everyone that first makes a video is just so bad at it. So don't worry about that. Even Casey Neistat was probably horrible in his first videos. Don't worry, just put it out there and then focus on the next one to try and make it better. And the third one, make it better than the second one, and so on and so on. So now that I've got kind of the mindset into that, and you know that you have to put in the work to actually make it work, we're gonna go right into the strategy. So first of all, you want to pick a niche that you're interested in, just like I talked about, if not passionate about it. And most likely there's something that you're interested in that you can actually make work. And maybe that's just watching movies and you're really interested in movies. Then you can make a blog about movies. Then you can make a YouTube channel doing reviews on movies and then post affiliate links. So most likely you have something that you're interested in that you can actually make money on. Once you've picked your niche, you want to pick a product or a service that you want to promote. Keep in mind that you have to have that in the back of your head, but you don't want to promote it straight away. First, you want to promote your YouTube or your blog, make it grow, and then you can move on further on and promote something. But you do want to have that in mind, that you know that you can promote something, because if you build a huge YouTube channel or a blog that has millions of visitors every single month, and then you realize that there's nothing you can promote, then it's probably not a good idea, because you put so much effort into building something that you're never ever gonna get returns. And it's not just waiting 5-10 years to make it work, it's like never you'll be able to do that. So make sure there's something that you can promote, but you don't want to promote it straight away. The next step is picking a platform. So I focus heavily on YouTube. I put out a ton of content that brings value to you guys, and I hope you really enjoy the content and it really helps you out. By the way, if you do, make sure you tell me about it in the comments if you like this video. That being said, you can also build a blog. Blogs are very powerful. There's so many blogs out there that make a killing. People think that making a YouTube video or a blog is, that's cute, that's good for you, you're having fun on it, but you can actually build a real business doing a YouTube channel or a blog. It's like crazy. But once you pick something, please focus on it, because if you move from one to the other, it's just not going to work. It's going to spread you too thin. So make sure you focus on one thing, and then you can move on to the next, because I know there's so many gurus out there telling you like you have to do 1 million different things. The average millionaire has 7 sources of income or something like that. I'm not too sure if it's 7, but you get the point. But these people built one thing and then they moved on to the next, because otherwise you're just focused on so many different things. It's just not going to work. Even Elon Musk, he started off making, I think it was one website or something, then he moved on to PayPal, and then he was like huge, and then he could build two companies. But he's like I'm not even sure if he's human, but you get the point. You really need to focus on one thing, and once you master that one thing, then you can move on to the next. If you try to do too many things, it just doesn't work. So choose a platform, whether it's YouTube or a blog. I suggest you pick one of the two, because these are the most powerful ones. You can also do it on Instagram, but I highly suggest that you do that after a while, when you already have some sort of audience, whether it's on YouTube or on a blog. Then you want to create content. Now, I know that's obvious, but so many people just don't go around to it and just wait until something magic happens and they have 1 million followers, or maybe they put out one video or 3 videos and they think that, you need, and they think that they're going to make so much money and they're going to have 1 million followers or 1 million visitors on their blog every single day. But it doesn't work like that. You have to put out content all the time. I'm putting out videos every single day. Even though I might miss a day here and there, I just try and put out videos every single day. Maybe you don't want to start off by doing videos every single day or blog posts every single day, but you just have to double down on what you're doing. If you're putting out one blog post every week, or you're putting out one video every week, it's just not enough. You just have to focus on doing more. If you're doing one right now, that's okay. Just try and move on to two. You have to start somewhere. If you just can't do more than one, just do one and then do another one. You just have to do that. And then once you have 2 a week, then you move on to 3, and so on until you have one every single day. And if you have a blog, you can probably do 2 every single day, but it depends on how much you want to put in. But keep in mind that the more content you'll put out, the faster you'll get where you want to be. So it's free, even though you might have to pay something for your blog, but in general, just putting out content is free. So just go full on and put it out there the more you can. The next step is you want to generate leads. So if you have a big enough audience, whether it's on YouTube or on your blog, and it doesn't have to be huge, you don't have to have 10,000, you don't have to have 10,000 followers on your YouTube channel. You don't have to have 10,000 people follow you on your blog. But as soon as you have a few people that are actually following you, what you want to do is you want to generate leads. What I mean by that is you give out something for free and you get their email address in return. So if they want that free thing, they have to put in their email address. So maybe it's a free PDF to help them out. Maybe it's an ebook, something that you made that's really valuable to them. No matter what niche you're in, you can find something like that. And then you say it in your video, you say it in your blog, and they just sign up and they put in their email address. And what you do is you're going to send them emails, and these emails will have affiliate links. Now, be sure that if people put in their email, they'll be happy that they put their email in, because you're going to send them some affiliate links, but that will be helpful to them. If you're not helpful to them, they'll just stop signing up to your email list, they'll unsubscribe, and you'll lose people. Obviously, you will lose people from your email list. It just happens. If you're on Instagram, you know that people unsubscribe. If you're on YouTube, you know people unsubscribe. By the way, don't unsubscribe, just subscribe if you haven't. But if you want to lose as little people as possible. So once you have these emails, you can automate it. And you can do that with an autoresponder, and I'll put the link in the description, because I have a really cheap one in the description. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click that one. It's an affiliate link, yes it is, but it's really helpful, and I thought that I would help you out and put that affiliate link in there. But you have to have an autoresponder. If you don't choose that one, don't worry, I won't hate you for it or anything, but this will help you. If you start generating leads, you want to have an autoresponder so that you can just send out emails as soon as people sign up to your email list, and you don't have to do any physical work once they do, because if people sign up every day, you don't want to write your emails every single day. So what you do is you write your email one time for maybe 7 days, and people will just get that email for 7 days after they just signed up, even if it's been 6 months since you've written these emails. So that's the best way to do it. That's actually the only way to do it. And if you want to make money further on, even if you've been writing these emails for 7 days and you want to make some more money, you just send out an email with an affiliate link. And this is pretty much like press a button and get some money in your bank account. Like, that's the closest thing you can get to like press a button or having a money tree or anything like that. It's just that simple. You just send out an email helping people out with an affiliate link and you get money in your bank account. I know it sounds crazy, but this is pretty much what it is. And once you've done that, you just get to make sales. So this is the secret to make money online. You generate leads basically, but you do have to put in all the steps that I talked about this before. So you may want to watch this video a second time, but generating leads is the most important key to making consistent money online with affiliate marketing. And this works even if it's not affiliate marketing. Maybe you're just trying to build an online store or something like that, but this is key to it. So make sure that you follow all these tips. This is very important. This will really help you out to make money online, but please put in the work. If you don't put in the work, all of this will be completely useless. If you haven't put out a blog post yet, please do so. If you haven't put out your first video yet, just stop right now, stop watching videos and put out your first piece of content. Even if it's bad, whether it's on your blog or on your video, on your YouTube channel, just put out your content. So, with that being said, make sure you're subscribed. Please leave a comment on what you think of this video, because I'm really interested in where you guys are at. If you've made your first video, if you haven't, if you're struggling to do so, just tell me in the comment and I'll get back to you as much as possible. So, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.